Hello guys, my name is Saad and today I'm gonna show you the sales call analyzer agent using LangChain and CrewAI. So these are very robust frameworks for developing complex language model applications, and the goal of this project is to transcribe audio from sales call, analyze the transcription using natural language processing techniques, and generate a detailed report on the call, including sentiment analysis, key phrases, pain points, and recommendations for improvement. So the key components of this project is audio transcription using OpenAI Whisper model, then the call analysis using CrewAI, the task automation, and the report generation. Okay, so first things first, we should add our necessary packages. So this this cell will install all the necessary packages, and then we have to initialize the imports. So here we are importing some document layer, some parsers, just like OpenAI Whisper parser to parse our audio, and then we are importing blob, then the load.env to load our environment variables, the dedent, and then the task agent and queue from CrewAI, and then the chair OpenAI, and then the async IO. Now we are loading our environment variables, and here we are initializing our parser, and this function will load our audio and return the transcription of the audio. Now here is the call analysis part. Here I'm defining my task using CrewAI framework, and here I'm defining my expected output in the form of JSON, and then this cell will be our agent. Here I'm defining my agent using CrewAI framework. Then this cell is responsible for the task execution. Here we are defining our LLM, our agent, our task, and then our queue, and here we are kicking off our queue and returning the results. This cell will show you an example usage of putting everything together and how to get a detailed report from an audio. This is the visual representation of our workflow. So here we are starting, and then we are giving audio to our Whisper model. The Whisper model will return our transcription, then the transcription goes to the agent will generate the report and the end. So that's it. That's a wrap from my side. Thank you. Bye bye.